It's recording. What year is this, Rich?
1965.
There you go, 65 Continental.
Lincoln Continental
Excellent
sedan.
shape.
55,000 original miles.
It's the back seat right here. Very nice. Dashboard, excellent shape. There you go, if you want to start it.
Okay.
Whoops. Sounds good.
Nice and quiet.
Yep. Side panels. Yeah.
John, I'll show you the antenna.
Okay.
Antenna going up.
Antenna going up. Got it. Nice. Okay.
Radio works.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'll open the hood.
Okay.
Don't get me.
No. Showing the back of it. Show the body.
Gotta get a picture of it while it's running?
Motor's looking good. Clean. Looks good. In front of it. Motor nice and clean. Nice tires. Good caps. Go inside one more time. There you go. Everything's cooking. Good back seat in good shape. No rips. No rips. Very nice headliner. Excellent shape. All power. Oops. Suicide doors. Oops. Stay open. Pretty cool.